Good morning, everybody. In this video, we are going to work together to answer the question, how do you multiply a fraction by another fraction? So we've done addition of fractions with the same denominators. We've done subtraction of that same skill. We've done adding and subtracting mixed numbers and the strategies involved with solving those problems correctly. So now we are going to go ahead and we're going to work on multiplying fractions in the next two lessons here. So let's get going with the model problem. Okay, so before we begin, I want you to pay attention to this closely where you see my pointer here. You're going to notice that the denominators are different, and the denominators are different in these multiplication problems, and that's okay, all right? Because I know in addition and subtraction problems, there's some other steps that we have to take care of, but I think you'll be pleasantly surprised that that these different denominators in this problem, like 5/8 times 1/3, aren't going to be much of a problem for you. So if I'm going to solve a problem like 5/8 multiplied by 1/3, here's the process here. I'm going to make sure that I actually multiply the numerators together, okay, and the denominators together, and that's going to really give me my answer. So I know that, let's see, just so I can illustrate it here for you, I might have, let me make that line a little straighter for you here. So I'm going to have 5, that's a parentheses, sorry about that. I'm going to have 5 multiplied by 1, okay, and 8 multiplied by 3, okay. And so since I'm multiplying those together, that's going to give me 5/24, and that's your answer. And that's how you multiply fractions. So let's move on to the practice problem. Okay, so for practice problem 1, what I'd like you to do is to solve 3/4 multiplied by 2/3 using the same strategy you solve in the model problem. Hit pause and work the problem out yourself, then hit play and you'll see my solution. Okay, so welcome back, everybody. You can see that I went ahead and I multiplied 3 by 2 and 4 by 3, and I had 6/12, but wait, there's more. You know from all your other background knowledge that 6/12 is actually equivalent to 1/2. So your final answer, and the best answer, the most ideal answer to put, is 6/12 is equal to 1/2, and that's your product. Because since we're multiplying two fractions together, your product is going to be the answer to this problem. So for practice problems 2 and 3, what I'd like you to do is to multiply 3/5 by 1/2 and 4/9 multiplied by 2/3. Please solve those two using the strategies that we learned in this lesson. And just to recap, what we did is we answered the question together, how can we multiply a fraction by another fraction?